What's up, guys? In front of me I have a limo. No, not really a limo, but this is a 2005 BMW 745 Li, so it's the extended wheelbase, and today we will be doing an oil change on one of these. With the car lifted, all the tools ready, we are ready to dive right underneath. Looking directly at the car, we're going underneath. There's the filter, which we will unscrew to drain the oil. Before you guys start on this job, you will need two, I don't want to say special tools, but they are definitely unique sizes. So the first one, this is for your filter. It's a 15/16 socket. And then this one is, I believe, a 5/16. And this will go for your drain plug, and it's a slightly odd one, but if you don't have two of these, do not start the job. You will not be able to complete it. There it is, guys. Definitely a messy job. Typically BMW, well, most German cars, the filter is mounted on top of the engine. This one is from the bottom, as you guys can see. And again, it's not a clean job. Right by where the filter is the location of the oil drain plug. And this is what it looks like. Once the oil drains, as you guys could see, it's super close. It's in the same opening. This is a big engine. There's a lot of oil. So make sure you have something big enough to catch all this draining oil. I'm gonna let it drain. I will get up from underneath the car and I'll show you guys the drain plug. It's actually a unique one. This is the first car that has this type of drain plug. All right, so here we are. This is the drain plug, and as you can see, it's not a typical drain plug. You'll need a 5/16 socket. This one says HW 5/16, so I don't know if the HW is just specific to Husky tool set or that's a universal name, but 5/16 is what you need. This is what the drain plug looks like, and of course this is a BMW, so changing the oil filter takes a few extra steps. I already pulled it out from here. It's right there. But these filters have a few gaskets on them. And this is my replacement filter. It's a Mann filter, HU 7155X. And as you can see, I have two rubber gaskets and a washer for the drain plug, which I will remove this one and put this one in its place. So to remove this, you could use a small flathead screwdriver or like a needle nose pliers. This is what I have, and with two hands, basically just gently pry it up and then go around it until you could remove it. There we go, super easy. The new filter just pops in. Got the new washer on the drain plug. This was, I believe, an extra. It's made for a few BMWs, not all of them. We'll use this smaller rubber gasket, but we are ready to put the drain plug back in, screw in the filter, and pour in the fresh oil. With everything tightened underneath moderately, you don't want to over tighten anything, we are moving to the engine. If you guys have watched my previous videos, I use Mobil 1 full synthetic oil. We are putting in 5W30 in here. It's supposed to take roughly 8 quarts. I think I'm going to add about 7.5 quarts. Start the engine as always, let it run for maybe 15-20 seconds. Let it sit for a little bit and then check the level and add as necessary. To reset the service light and or engine oil, you push and hold this button until that menu pops up. And then you see that it comes up on the right hand side. Push it one more time and then push and hold. Reset engine oil, okay. Awesome. And then we'll go through this. Engine oil, sweet. That's it. Now if we go into this menu, going up to car data, and we will be scrolling down to the bottom, we should have engine oil right there, and it's good. Service is in 15,000 miles. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you very much for joining. If you have the tools, this was a very easy oil job, just like any other oil job. A little bit messy, but they're pretty much all fairly messy. Just make sure to top off the oil as needed for your vehicle. Check underneath, make sure nothing is leaking. And I hope this video helped you guys. I appreciate you watching. Subscribe and stick around for more awesome videos. Have a good one.